Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Vivo device to Nokia XR20. Firstly, access Play Store on both smartphones. Then click on the search bar, type Send Anywhere and download this free app from this developer. After that, tap on Open. Now you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow on both devices. Then select Receive on Nokia and Send on Vivo. Now click on all of those dots and choose Send in order to send all of your chosen files. It will take a while though, so I will go into Photos category, select one of them and tap on Send only for example. Over here choose Got it, and as you can see we have two ways to connect. We can input this key over here and choose Receive or Scan QR code. If you wish to scan it, click on the scanning icon on Nokia, then choose while using the app or only this time and point your camera at the code. Now we have to wait a bit. And as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. If you wish to check it out for sure though, you need to access, for example, Files app, go into, in my case, Images, and tap on Send Anywhere section over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!